Good afternoon. You ever wonder how a basement footing looks before it's poured? Well, here you see the beginning stages. And I just love these folks from Lake Norman Concrete Finishing. You look at their work, everything's nice and square, everything's nice and neat. But what this is a footing for a basement. So that's going to have, we're going to lay steel rebar in there, we're going to pour concrete, and that's where the basement walls are going to sit. They're going to rest on there. Now, out of the walkout portion of our basement back here, that's just going to be a traditional dug footing. So we don't form those up, we just dig those into the soil, down to load-bearing soil. And that white ribbon up there is going to be the front porch, so we're going to dig a footing for that as well and build a, probably just do a block wall up there and fill that full of gravel. But we're going to bring some of the dirt from the back over here to level that out, put a little retaining wall on the corner, and then we're not sure whether we're going to put a retaining wall here or just kind of wrap the wall around the back part here. So we still have a decision there, but that's going to be a detached garage over there, so we can dig a traditional footings. Anyway, this is going to be a super cool project, but this part's going to be the garage here. So when we build the basement walls up here, we're going to fill that with gravel, and that's going to be your garage. But like I said, it's going to be a cool project. What's kind of different about this is this slopes left to right, not so much front to back, but we're still doing a walkout basement. So we're putting more of the living area over here, so where we can have windows, and the storage area over here, and we're still working on getting a window here. Anyway, again, a super cool project. It's going to be the front by the neighborhood, and we'll bring you some more videos to watch. If you find any value in our videos, feel free to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Thanks. Bye.